We are on our way to Trader Joe's. This is our second time going, but I don't know what's down there. I didn't show much the last time, nor did I do a vlog. I've done Trader Joe's grocery hauls way back. It's been a little bit, but I think I'll show you guys today what we get. Did we have a successful Trader Joe's trip? Yep, we're gonna go to the bookstore and play trains. Loaded down. Are we picking out cupcakes?
I want to eat them.
What do you want?
I want the bunny. Cheese.
The amount of baked goods we got, and I don't eat any of them. Savvy, you want this? What'd you get, baby?
Cake.
It's a macaroon. It's the Pennsylvania Bakery, and it is so cute. I got all of these baked goods. I got so much stuff for my dad's birthday. And pistachio coffee for Mommy, just black. Mommy got pistachio coffee and it's so good, just black coffee. And then I got treats. She's singing. I got these little plastic bins from Target. I'll have to link them for you guys, just to help keep the car clean.
Oh, stupid pig is up there. Mom.
What, baby? Yeah, Pooh Bear and Piglet's up there.
I can reach him. I want to say hi.
You want to go say hi?
No, I want to play this.
You want to play that? Okay. Is the train your favorite? Oh, no.
Sorry, Mommy.
All right, guys, showing you what I picked up from Trader Joe's. You'll hear Cody and Sav in the background. They're playing over here. But as I'm going to try to sort these the best I can. But I got $9.99 for salmon fillets. Cody will have to deskin them. Grosses me out, but I thought that was a good price considering salmon is outrageous right now. I got a whole little chicken. Cody's been smoking lemon thyme chicken and it's been incredible. I got the no sugar added bacon. As for produce, I got lemons and limes, avocados, just an apple. We already had two, so I wanted more. I got fresh cilantro, parsley, dill, some spinach. I've been using it in my smoothies or salads. Jalapenos, bananas, blueberries. I want to try to do chocolate covered blueberry clusters with sea salt. It was one of the recipes from the new Genius Foods cookbook, or Genius Kitchen cookbook. And then raspberries and blackberries for Sav. Cookies. Cookies for Cody, break apart cookies for Cody and Sav. And then I got the jumbo cinnamon rolls. I found how to make little bunnies off Pinterest for Easter, so I wanted to pick one of those up. Medjool pitted dates. I do stuffed dates covered in chocolate as my treat. We got low fat and reduced 2% milk for Savannah. My snacks, I got Chomp's beef sticks. I love them. And then they just have, it's apple coconut and banana apple, literally the two only ingredients in these. So those are perfect for little snacks for me. I got pickles. I've been doing the Paleo Running Mama's burger in a bowl and it's so good. Greek yogurt for Sav and Cody. Tomato paste. These are like their M&M versions. I'm gonna make little hearts on these bunnies and Sav loves M&Ms, so I just got their version. Garlic powder, we were out. Love Trader Joe's sparkling water. I think theirs taste the best. Cherry tomatoes. I want to make gyro bowls, whatever. Green Goddess salad dressing. Olive oil spray. I think we were almost out. Coconut oil. I go through this like crazy because I mix it in with chocolate powder and make like coconut oil chocolate bars. Really good. Sav wanted flowers. I got a little bundle for her. Shelled hemp seed to add fiber to my smoothies in the morning. Dried bananas. Sav loves bananas. These dried bananas, really good. There's no sugar or anything in them. It's just the bananas. 2 bags of sweet potatoes. I'm gonna make a sweet potato side dish for Easter. Go Raw Trex Mix. Raisins, cashews, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts are in this. I got these reusable produce bags. They were $1.99. I was wondering if they created anything like this, and then I saw it, which I was so excited about. Salsa, it does not have sugar in it. We're gonna be making tacos soon, and I wanted salsa. Coconut aminos, usually really hard to find at My Giant, and they had it there. I'm almost out of mine. Russet potatoes. Unsweetened almond milk. Got toilet paper, paper towels, not very exciting. Baby dried pineapples, they're so good. I'm thinking Sav will like them too. And then lastly, I got 2 things. Oh, there's one thing in the freezer I already put in. I got basil and cilantro. I'm gonna plant a little planter. My mom's getting me dill and parsley. That's not cilantro, that's Italian parsley, but she's getting me curly parsley. And then I got just frozen cauliflower rice. It was $1.99 a bag, which is really cheap. That's it for Trader Joe's. That is all that I got. I'm gonna put these groceries away. As Sav and Cody are eating the cake from the PA bakery. These are my dates. And then these are the coconut oil bars, and they're so good. It's my sweet treat, and it's only sweetened with stevia and the chocolate that's on the dates. I use the Lily's dark baking chocolate because it's dairy free, and then monk fruit sweetener. That's the only thing off of Whole30 that's not compliant, other than the smoothies and the baked goods. But the food itself is all compliant with Whole30. I'm still doing that, and I want to continue it. But I finished up 75 hard. Day 76, I just did 2 workouts, both inside, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. That's the only thing I'm doing different from the original 75 hard. But put these groceries away. Cody just took Sav upstairs, so I'm going to put these groceries away. And then Mommy has an appointment to do laser hair removal under her arms. My second treatment, and then look, so he gets grumpy about it. Guys, I don't know if I showed on here, but I showed on Instagram. But I ordered a bunch of things from Stoney, Clover in the Target line, and I hate to even show it because I don't know if they're restocking. But I did get the beach tote, and I added like the own stickers. I got the flower, the rainbow, and I got the travel wording, I should say, and then the little heart. But I got the beach toys as well, and this cute little pouch here for Savvy Girl. So cute. And then I will link this because it was still in stock, but it is the Stoney Clover sweatshirt. I got it in a size small, and it's only $20. It's still in stock while I'm vlogging this, so I will leave it linked below. It's super soft and so worth it, guys. But I love the Stoney Clover launch. If you can't tell, I went crazy. Plus, I got my friend in England some things as well, so kind of went nuts. Just got to my appointment for my laser and my Botox. It's my second treatment, so just a little early, so I'm gonna actually read and then head in. So I just got done making, well, I just ordered, actually went out to the bookstore, Max Lucavire's new book. I love Genius Foods. I do not have Genius Life. I want to read that, but I'm like taking notes on Genius Foods. I listened to the audiobook and then bought it. I'm that obsessed. And I just ordered the Genius Kitchen, which is their new cookbook. But one little teaser from one of the podcasts I listened to was his blueberry chocolate covered little clusters. Fresh blueberries. You use 100% cacao powder. You can make your own chocolate. Like, he's the one that actually had the idea for making my own chocolate. But as long as it has 100, he said 85% or stronger, but these are really high. The Lily's chocolate, baking chocolates, are sweetened with stevia and dairy free, and have the, you know, benefits of the cacao powder. But they're little clusters. Sav sprinkled the little sea salt on them. They are so good. Literally like burst in your mouth with flavor. So I made those. I should have showed them, but I just melted the chocolate chips with a little bit of coconut oil and just literally like swirled them around the bowl and like clustered them out. So simple, nice little snack for me. I am like loving the benefits of the dark chocolate, all those antioxidants, and you know, eating that up because that's my sweets. So we're going to my dad's birthday party tonight. I picked up sweets for everyone else, and I just kind of like pre-gamed with my own sweets like all day long basically. But we're heading over there, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm bringing my own pulled pork barbecue that I had frozen because my mom's making hamburger barbecue and it's sweetened with like sugars and that, so I'm just gonna use this, and she's baking sweet potatoes, so I'll keep this some sweet potatoes. Unfortunately, it's like hard. It's nice to like offer a dish when you know you're eating somewhere. I try to like stick to the meats and the vegetables if they're plain, and then I offer to bring a dish that's like kind of compliant for myself. So it's like a little tip. It is kind of hard. Sometimes it's a little embarrassing, and you don't want to make a big deal about it. Just saying no thank you is enough, but sometimes people push it, and you know, then you gotta put your foot down. But for the most part, people have been fine. So made those anyway, like whatever disclaimer there. But I'm going to head to my parents and this vlog here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little day with me. Kind of a fun day. Actually, it was such a fun day. Like Sav and I had so much fun, and Mommy had her little self-care appointment. And yeah, it was just a really good day. And I'm gonna go celebrate my dad's birthday with him now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you on my next post. I will leave linked what I can down below. Sweater. I don't know if I talked about anything else, but I link a ton on Instagram all the time. You guys need to follow me there. My link will be down below.